Welcome everyone to the channel Mainichi Japan and the series Teru Koto Hiragana o Manabo Part 2. In today's video, we will be learning the remaining hiragana characters from sa to to, which is also known as Kyou wa sa kara to made ni manabo. Today let's learn from sa to to. And like my in previous video, today also I have divided the whole class into two sections. Kyou no jugyo wa futatsu no bubun ni wakete imasu. First is hiragana no hatsuon, which is also pronunciation of hiragana, and hiragana no kakijun, which is also writing order of hiragana. Okay, with that said, let us get to the first topic of the day, that is hiragana no hatsuon. Sa, si, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Okay, let us revise it from the to to sa. To, te, tsu, chi, ta, so, se, su, si, sa. Again, let us do it a little bit faster. Sa, si, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Okay, that was the pronunciation of hiragana no hatsuon. Next, we are moving to the writing order of hiragana or hiragana no kakijun. Okay guys, so let us get inside the kakijun of the remaining of the hiragana from sa to to. Okay, first we have is sa. Okay, so let us discuss this one. Okay, the first rule is to write from horizontal axis, so it's from left to right, so this would be the first stroke, and after the horizontal stroke we write the vertical stroke, and don't forget the angle here is the most important thing here. So this is the second stroke, and again from top to bottom, so this is the last stroke, so this is the third stroke. So this is how you write sa. And next thing is some people, they also love to write sa like this. So this is the another way of writing sa. I also love to write sa like this, but right now I won't recommend it because it is not the standard way of writing sa. That's what I was told by my teachers. So best way to write right now is to write the sa in 3 strokes. Okay, I will recommend this one. And after this, let us move to the next one. This is si. Okay, it's look like the reverse sache, I guess, site, SCYTH, something like that, I don't know. It just look like the reverse, that reverse sache, I guess. Okay, so it ends in only one stroke from top to bottom and a little bit bulge over here. So this is how we write si. C also means death. Okay guys, C means death in Japanese. Okay, so Shi's kanji is like this. Shi means death. So it means death. So you can remember like this. Shi means death. So the Death Reaper had the scythe, I guess, with which he brings the death. Okay, it's easier. So it's how you remember Shi. Okay, okay, let us move to the next one. It's Su. It looks like the pig's tail. It's easier. So first is the horizontal stroke from left to right. This is the first stroke. Then next one is the vertical stroke. You write from the top to the bottom like this. So it ends in 2 stroke. Su ends in 2 stroke. And think it as the pig's tail. It would be easier to remember. Su, pig's tail. Okay. Next we have is Se. Okay, again from left to the right. First is the horizontal. And next important thing is always write the shorter or the shortest stroke first in hiragana. So this is the shortest stroke, shortest vertical stroke. So let's write this one. Okay guys, and don't forget the angle here. It is the next important thing. Okay, this is the first stroke, this is the second stroke, and lastly this is the third stroke. Okay, so this is how you write Se. Isn't it easier, guys? And don't forget to download the reference files. It would be in the description below, and it's a safe download because it's from the GitHub page of mine, and you can find other files also. I have put that in the issue of my GitHub page. I put the link in the description, and I will also put the what do we call that, notebook, or example of notebook in PDF format. You can download it and you can print it, and you can write the kanji, the hiragana in the same format like this, and I think it would be very useful. Okay, with that said, let us move to the next one. Next one is So. Okay, so I remembered it as the thunder when I was learning hiragana. So it looks like thunder somehow. Okay, so this is how you write So. You end this in 1 stroke, and it just look like thunder, I guess. Yeah, this is the thunder. Okay, so is thunder, and you might have noticed that I have said so many times while I'm speaking in English or telling something in English. It's my habit, bad habit. Okay, let us move to the next one. Ta. Okay, again from left to the right and top to bottom, and this is the first stroke, this is the second stroke, and we have the third stroke here, again from left to right. So this is the order, guys. Don't forget to write in the order. For your easiness, I put the number here. You can download this reference file later. So Ta, it ends in 4 strokes. Okay, let us move to the next one. Next one is Chi. Chi means blood in Japanese. So Chi means blood. Okay, Chi means blood. This is the kanji for Chi. We'll be discussing the kanji in our other classes later, but kanji also, it is also written in order. Don't forget that, guys. So let me correct the order now. So let me tell you that in Japan everything it works in order. There's no such thing as random. We foreigners are the ones that are random. Okay, so this is blood. Okay, I've written this because it would be easier if you remember the mark points. Just like su means pig's tail, so is like thunder, chi means blood. You can remember like that. C means death. It would be easier in that way. Okay, so let us write this one. Okay, this is the first stroke and this is the second stroke. Okay, let us move to the next one, and next is, okay, sorry, this is chi. Okay, blood is chi, the shortest, chi only. Next is chu. Okay, so it looks like the horseshoe, I guess. Yeah, horseshoe. So okay, it ends in only one stroke, and don't forget the orientation here. It is a little bit higher than this point here. Okay, this is chu. It ends in one stroke. And next we have is te. It also ends in only one stroke. We go on like this and we continue and we end it here. Only one stroke. Okay, no, okay, no two strokes. Okay, only one stroke. Okay, next we have is to. This is the final and last hiragana kakijun for today. Okay, this is the first stroke and this is the second stroke. This is how you write to. Okay, with this we have finished the kakijun of hiragana for today, and don't forget to download the reference files. It's in the download description. And with that said, everyone have a nice time and happy learning, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, have a happy learning time and best of luck for your learning Japanese. Okay, and bye. Yeah, don't forget to watch my other videos also and write comments so that I can improve my videos in my coming days. And yeah, there are so many things to tell you guys, but the video is getting longer. I will tell you in my next video. Hope you will watch that, and bye.